Pause everything because we have something special for you. Whether you want to know about the latest innovations or just enjoy watching amazing machines in action, you won't want to miss this. But before we start, click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Let's go. Seamless synchronization of the press and its side parts allows it to make perfect cuts in 2 stone tiles. This awesome device can perfectly fill a paint bucket to the brim without spilling a single drop. The accuracy of this metal marking machine is simply amazing. New lead sheets are created from melted old ones by pouring them into a sand mold. This unusual mechanism for making braided cheese This 3D printer uses chalk-enriched filament to create masterpieces with a silky finish. Check this out. Just 1 second and you've got a box. Buddha thought that a chain-link fence is made on a loom like a piece of fabric. The water pressure in this machine is strong enough to engrave a flawless design on glass and even metal. This slicer is so fast it can cut up pepperoni and bacon at a speed of 2,000 pieces per minute. When we take a sip from a glass bottle, we have no clue about the complex process that goes into its manufacture. This fast-spinning mechanism will knock the dust out of even the dirtiest carpet. A 320 Mercedes part simply turns to dust under this press. Check out this hypnotic technique for evenly coloring silicone. This mechanism cuts and seals a bag in one motion, making the water inside it immediately ready for use. This cute little thing that can instantly cheer up anyone in the world actually has quite a lengthy manufacturing process. Watch as this press turns an old car into a compact hunk of metal by folding it like a sheet of paper. Soldering with this device makes it look like somebody's doing magic outside of Hogwarts. Check out this ultra-fast professional technique for removing leftover cardstock after printing. This machine gives potato chips such an interesting shape that you just want to reach for another handful. Here's a factory that carries out the painstaking process of producing the perfect golf balls. Oh, a machine with 20 buckets is used to unload sand from a barge by raking it in one bucket at a time. A milling cutter slices through aluminum smoother than a knife through hot butter. This high-pressure mop leaves streets spotless and sparkling. A person can create a unique design when fully in sync with this machine. And here's the incredibly hypnotizing process of harvesting natural salmon caviar. This machine precisely cuts turf to the right size, rolls it up, and packs it on pallets for transport. Just one more thing. This machine presses cotton right out in the field as soon as it's picked. The saw is a powerful tool without a doubt, but swans raise the bar. Check out this giant helicopter saw. And that brings us to the end of this satisfying video. Let us know in the comments which mechanism you'd like to try out yourself. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video so we can bring you more exciting content. See you soon. Oh,